I'm passionate about helping young Africans unearth their potential. So meaning if I'm walking through the airport and I meet a young guy and he says to me, because of you, I was able to get into the property industry. That fulfills me. Because of you, I was able to start a business. Now, one guy wrote to me on my birthday in 2021. He says to me, Witness, I was about to kill myself and I stumbled upon your posts and I bought your book. I had given my life to alcohol and I just wanted to die. I read your book and I want to give you a testimony and say, on the 5th of Jan, it was now my birthday, 29 December. On the 5th of Jan, I'm moving into my property and I've got a fruit and veg business and I've got a trucking business. So for me, I look at it and said, more than the money that the person has made, a life has been saved.
Yes.
And community can potentially be impacted through that one guy.